Yeah, hello students. Now we will continue with the balance sheet of that Raghavendra Education Trust. So, how you write the format? Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Once again, I'm telling date is very important. Liabilities amount rupees, income amount rupees. To write the balance sheet student, you will compare the old balance sheet. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What they are telling? Capital fund 64,000, right? Capital fund opening balance anta bariri. Opening balance amount is 64,000. Yes? Okay. Now, I always have told you all, you have to add surplus. But in the answer here, we have not got surplus. We have got this deficit. So, a deficit, you have to deduct it. Remember, deficit, you have to minus. So, I'm writing here, less deficit. How much was the amount? 840. Fine. Next in the question, your balance sheet, income and expenditure account 3,240 they are telling. ಈ amount ಅನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, income and expenditure account you write, add income and expenditure account, that is 3,240, same amount from here. Okay. Yes. Now entrance fees donation ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes. Entrance fees 1,600. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಕ್ವೆಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? ಹಾಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಸಿಯರ್, half of the entrance fees it was, half. Yes, half you have already taken. If you can see, half entrance fees you had done here, arda 800 you took, again 800 is remaining, the remaining 800 you take now here. Yes, so donation is not given in the question, life membership fees is not given in the question, so ignore it. Now add this 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 amount you add, you will get 67,200. Fine? Yes. Next one, what is said? Subscription received in advance. E amount is already adjusted. Yes, we have taken. Leave it. Outstanding expenses 2,800. It's already taken here. So leave it. Loan 10,000. We have not taken. Loan is a liability. Loan amount we have not taken. So I'm writing here. Loan 10,000. Yes, loan repaid anta idre you have to write inside our amount and you have to less. We have done one problem like that, but here it is not there, so leave it. Next ಏನಇದೆ? Yes, this subscription of the next year 2017-18. 18 is the next year in advance adu you have to write. I'll repeat once again, 2017-18 is of next year, it's the advance. So, subscription received in advance, 300, right here. Yes? Okay. Now, anything else from the adjustments we have to write? We'll check it. See here. Expenses due. Interest due. See, expenses are current liabilities. That you have to write. So, this I am writing, see, expenses due. See here. Expenses due, it was 1,000. Interest was how much? We'll check it. Check. Interest was how much? See, interest due 400. Right. Current liability there. They are all your current liability. You should write in this liabilities heading. Fine. Your liabilities is done. Now we will write the assets. Yes. I'm sorry. It's asset. Okay. Assets. So to write the assets, what we'll do? We will compare this assets. First in the building 60,000, write it. Same as it is, copy and write. Building 60,000. Building ಈಗ depreciation ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Just check it in the answer how you have done. Yes, building depreciation 6,000 you have done. So depreciate it. Less depreciation, always you will less 6,000. When you less, you will get how much? Correct. Use your calculator, students. 54,000. Next ಏನಿದೆ? Outstanding subscription 400, but E400 already adjusted here, so forget it. Outstanding rent 840, you have already taken. See, rent alli nodi, you have already taken 840, so leave it, you are not taking now again. Next ಏನide? Cash at bank, right here. See, I'm writing cash at bank, but amount which I'm taking, yes, this amount always carried down, 16,700. See, I'm writing 16,700. Then what is there? Assets, nothing is there. But anything other assets did I leave here? Very good. That is leasehold land. Leasehold land andre students, for example, you must have heard, like in Bangalore he is staying in a flat in lease, andre he has purchased that flat for 5 years. 5 years he is the owner. 5 years ಆದ ನಂತರ he has to give back the flat. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಲೀಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ one land is purchased for 8,000, maybe for 2 years. 2 years ಆದ ನಂತರ he has to return it, but it's an asset, so write the amount directly. Anything else is there students? Assets? No. But anyone's adjustment did I leave? Check it in your adjustment. Yes, that is this subscription due but not received 200. Subscription receiving adu ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸಿಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗೋದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅದು, ಸೊ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 200. ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ನೌ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, add 16,700 plus 8,000 plus 200, you will get 78,900. Now you add 67,200 plus 10,000 plus 300 plus 1,000 plus 400, you will get 78,900. So this was for 12 marks. Thank you.